Hello, YouTube, and welcome back. I have some exciting news to share with you guys about ChatGPT. So there's been a leak that's been revealed about some insanely new features that are set to revolutionize the world of AI. I've mentioned a few things about AI and ChatGPT on my previous video, discussing about its integration to gaming, how some modders have already added some AI capabilities to some NPCs where NPCs can respond to users tailor-fitted to that situation. But more than that, for what it already is, there's going to be more major changes that will happen that will continuously make AI even more advanced and even more useful in a lot more cases and situations. So again, my name is Van, and in this video, we'll explore those features in detail and discuss their potential applications. So let's hop on in. The first things first, let's talk about the leak itself. So this information comes from the Reddit user named Kochem Sai, who claims to be working in OpenAI and has proven to be a reliable source in the past. They've actually accurately leaked details about ChatGPT's premium version, as well as GPT-4, and even the collaboration between OpenAI and Microsoft Bing, which now uses chat mode, leveraging the power of ChatGPT. So we have good reason to take this leak seriously, albeit feel free to take all of this with a grain of salt. So according to him, OpenAI is working on 3 incredible new features for ChatGPT, namely Workspaces, profiles, and file uploads. Now, first and foremost, Workspaces will be a game changer. So basically, Workspaces will allow users to create their own virtual environments and interact with ChatGPT in a multitude of ways. For example, let's say you're a chef, right? And imagine having a dedicated workspace for learning a new recipe, where ChatGPT basically acts as your personal mentor, and then you and your fellow chef colleagues can collaborate and brainstorm about other recipes, leveraging the power of AI. So all of your discussions, you could put that all in kind of like a workshop type situation, and then just have ChatGPT oversee everything, and you guys could use ChatGPT to give you suggestions, ideas, and whatnot. Or let's say you're a software programmer or a coder, right? So for you and your colleagues, you can write software codes in there, and then ChatGPT kind of like becomes your debugger or quality tester and helps all of you optimize the codes that you're making, which we all know ChatGPT can just basically produce a code out of prompts. So by doing so, you can basically have a team of coders improve their work with the use of ChatGPT. So the possibilities here are totally endless, and there's just so much you can do just by that in and itself. But that doesn't end there, because after Workspaces, they're planning to do profiles. So profiles basically is a type of feature that takes interactions with ChatGPT to a more personalized level. So basically, by creating a profile, users can specify their preferences, all of their interests, your personality traits, add that all into ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will tailor all of its responses based off of all of that input, right? So it's like having a chatbot that truly understands you and can provide recommendations, advice, and more. So, for example, you're this type of person that, say, you want to make sure that you eat well, or, you have a good time with your friends and family. So if you have this type of profile that you've given to ChatGPT as like a way to suggest, good food, good restaurants, perhaps ChatGPT could suggest places or restaurants or dining experiences where it will help you avoid certain allergens, right? Or maybe, direct you to eating places or restaurants that would suggest your favorite food, maybe your friends or family's favorite food, and all that stuff. So ChatGPT will basically be able to know you in that kind of level, besides the one that it's basically just generic responses and more intellectual type conversations that typically happens. So profiles will allow ChatGPT to communicate in such a way that it's going to be more tailor fit to its user. And finally, this is what's going to change everything, at least for me and my perspective. If this happens to be true, and this happens to be something that they will implement, this is going to be crazy. But I do have some screenshots that this is highly likely a possibility that they will implement this, although we're not sure when they will update this. But basically, the final thing is file uploads, right? So ChatGPT becomes even more versatile and powerful this way because users would now be able to upload various types of files. So that includes images, so from JPEGs and GIFs and texts, audio files, videos, and more. And you can ask ChatGPT to describe an image, let's say. So if you upload an image and ChatGPT kind of just processes that image, you can ask ChatGPT to critique that image, maybe describe it, or perhaps give you insights as to maybe how you can improve it if this happens to be your painting or whatever. If you have a document that you would want summarized, you can upload that and have ChatGPT summarize that for you. Or if that is your own writing, maybe you would want ChatGPT to improve on the writing for a Word document. You can also process audio files, create remixes for you. So, of course, as you upload stuff to it, ChatGPT can spit out the same type of media. So creativity will expand further and further. Creating codes will just be a lot easier, more productive for a lot of people. Basically, the possibilities here are endless. But more than that, OpenAI actually has plans to launch a business variant, allowing companies to build their own AI chatbots for specific use cases. So if you happen to be a restaurant, say you want to make sure that you can plan certain type of events on your restaurant, or, perhaps you are a travel company who wants to help customers plan their dream vacations and whatnot, leveraging the power of AI would allow that to be a possibility. Basically, these businesses would have this super powerful kind of chatbot aiding them. And I think this is going to be in premium. So businesses will be paying for these since, of course, businesses have a lot more profit to fund these kinds of technologies. Again, take all of this with a grain of salt, albeit a lot of these things are also quite scary. We have yet to see what this will do and how this will affect the future. But in summary, I guess the leak of this new ChatGPT features, to me, I just find it really exciting. And just adding the Workspaces profiles and the file uploads will enable a lot of users to customize their experience and make interactions more human-like. I mean, that's the very purpose of AI, is to kind of integrate machine from the human experience. So just being able to unlock all of these new creative possibilities is really exciting, at least for me. And with the upcoming business variant, of course, companies could benefit from that and leverage the power of ChatGPT, perhaps to, make even more profit, produce even more products, and maybe help with the rising costs. But that's it for me. I hope you guys are as thrilled as me about ChatGPT's new features. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.